Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock incandescent license plate bulbs on this 2016 GMC Canyon with our plug-and-play LED upgrades. It's a small, inexpensive upgrade that makes a big difference in the overall appearance of the truck. Installation only takes a few minutes and could not be any simpler. Let's get started. To get started with our LED license plate bulb installation, we're going to reach up under the bumper, grab the stock license plate bulb at the base of the housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out from the housing. Then we'll be able to remove the stock bulb and plug in our LED replacement. This particular truck is equipped with a tow package, which can make it a little bit trickier to access the license plate bulbs. It still only takes just a minute. You'll want to reach up around the tow support brace and pull out that factory license plate bulb. So once we have the bulb out of the housing, remove our stock incandescent license plate bulb. Take our 194 size HP5 LED replacement, plug it directly in to the stock harness. Then we'll put the bulb back in the housing and turn it clockwise to secure it. Then we'll repeat all these same steps on the other side to finalize our installation. With our LED license plate bulbs installed, we not only have more light output on our license plate, but a clean 21st century look that matches the 2016 GMC Canyon overall. For more information on our LED license plate bulbs, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.